Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and we'll deliver to your preference.
Business development support, you support a year a 24 enketwa. Ye much concern ewo a 24 enketwa. Omudiga ewo my Ghana mu.
Ope baby edweni akire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a. Menfo weni kire baby a. For weni kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make Warehouse. I Chunton Charles any building materials.
The building any construction and so. Say even yama contract bi wa be mu. Enso hu se dia obeye no. E fa na dams, e fa na road, e fa na buildings. Any kind of construction ayama wo hwa untimi nye utimi boben ye through your Let's Make Foundation ebi mo omo orphanage issues ebi mo omo hospital issues ebi mo omo here counseling nini na Let's Make Foundation etimi ehwehye ni ye.
Bliss aluminium system your caso high tension air glass education of Italian Sico aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young way Jumawasi. Interior glass repairs so Jumawasi. Adoko Amoshe, who are Kola, we school at Fie, Open San Yuma Panebra, Ubikasua, high tension, street nepo, Obom station on Yawa, Obomsi and somebody boy, Bliss aluminium, and no matter screen Nase. If I'm not a friend, or friends, so you know that Casabo for our supreme.
It's another big day again. I'm going to have any aquaba at the top trend. So, I will talk GTV with me, Abna AJ, and I will say, it's streaming live this year at YouTube on Top G Multimedia. Me papa chome slam mo subscribe and I'm like it. Na mo san shema me wife na bibia enye fe. Na Jumedia me dey dey Let's Make group of companies. Bliss Aluminium System, African Queens Market, Top G Multimedia, Ebiom Sino Prestodia Care International Foundation. Omone boami na me Jumedia yi ebesomo. Today our question of the day is, how do you deal with fear? How do you deal with fear? Fire YouTube ni sesia na ye hu the way I ustify deal with yours. Na ye buy ensem so dia ajagwaja. Yes, Abekasa was see only the poor people believes there is heaven. Abiams no controversial counselor you should so say a man na yamubu musano. There's nothing wrong with it. So only bema shia ewo impemusu. Asamo Abiams no strong man who say and fellow men for said taking money from women can be very, very, very dangerous. And need to be very, very, very careful. And Sunny Gakika we huna me the best so more our top train. So happy birthday and Vera Abrefi Koto. Today is your birthday. Long life with prosperity and abundance of grace. Nyamin Faunfi Adumu and Ko Adumu. Happy birthday to you. Hey Oba. Now see my instant so dia. Popular Ghanaian prophet and also spiritual leader of the Universal Spiritual Outreach, the Ajagwaja movement, was saying and said there is no heaven. That be now only the poor believes there is heaven. In an interview call here, it was United Showbiz and our church say there is no such place as heaven. Rather, there is a place for a people of God called paradise. And a black obesia paradise. Heaven is a scared place. No one enters the laws except for its angels. He is not coming back to take us to heaven. No, he has prepared a place for his people called paradise, where there is eternal life. Even the white man that propagated Christianity does not even believe God is coming. And until now, they are building and also inventing new things daily. And only the poor believes there is heaven. And there is no one going to heaven. As I say, aha, and I yet now. There are paradise. But like say, when I was growing up from a child, they were like heaven and earth, heaven and hell, heaven and hell, heaven and hell. Now I'm gonna say there is no heaven, it's paradise. I think Reverend has to church him for us because my comments here say, I know there is heaven, I know there is paradise. Now I'm gonna say there is no heaven, it's paradise rather. I was a first year try and stand so dear. Marriage counselor friend is George Casterson Luchot, aka controversial counselor Luchot. This man is really funny sometimes. Or say having Sebunim Obama and our Bashia during her menstruation is not wrong at all. That be in an interview our United Showbiz no me said this Saturday pan the yama call course who United Showbiz no and some call so pan this Ajagwaja and cancer YouTube no more can some ankasa. And I also said there are scientific reasons and also believed to having sex with someone menstruation. According to him, there is diluted pleasure and also excitement in having sex during this period, especially for women who ovulate during this time. And there is nothing wrong with having sex during menstruation. The only discomfort is having to soil the bed. Hey, now let's say no free. If I'm coming to be down, say oba say every month bia nyame aye bibi say every month bia oba ade be fe na fi mi na my ni moja say ebe sane fi oba bia mu no, and it's not good. And I say right say bema and we be shia abra unya sa de we. Now so you talk so say there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. What you want saying? Because this thing is really bad though. Moja fi you say at the bonny say bema e de we be shia they say oh blocking the chance and everything no. When they are also posting at the graduate pan was say na you thought pan then I can want them you thought so ba sebe ni un fi pie no so one you bema enko shia oh this one there is not right but you just say dojna there's nothing wrong with it. The only discomfort thing is say oh so your bed no with the blood. Like seriously it looks like it's really disgusting like about who way. Oh, you show a pan there, Debbie. Red dear, my dear, and sorry, the engine to Mukran. I was a first year, try and some so dear. Reggae and dancehall artists episode was so on the OGD said that having the means to support oneself financially is the best option for musicians. It's perfect. According to him, if an artist has a financial muscles, it is due to go independent and also having full control over their own affairs. He also emphasizes that being financially grounded eliminates the need for a record label. By having the necessary found record label, they have their own money to do anything they want. And sanema omo we no omo njumapa omo nyom omo to omo everything bia eko enim. So I think what episode is saying is true. So we can kwa dia da wo pe bia wutimi ye na wutimi ko wanim ntem an kofokwa hu se asume se ampo amba ntem oba na se na oba hete sa no usika na ebe twe na yen sama ye twa to cry and say Ghanaian rapper Osei Kweku Vincent I name mo show base as strong man Sawatiana or no at the foot sopa and man fellow men against taking money from their female partners, warning that it can sometimes be very dangerous in the more Ziankasa. According to him, was taking money from women mostly goes with cash. Yes, yeah, it's true. Especially when the man cannot follow the bending rules. He also revealed that men who lure women in a relationship and take their money and later damn them it's also been risks of being cursed. No about this kind of mention. Now assume see. What can say I 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. And found so pena. Now one face can amba. Was see what the bedroom. So it's very, very, very dangerous for men who seek money from their girlfriend to stop that. Blah. Upasa winning chair dia ja. Sakada mu kukunyen. Zaya no so open your ja umpo na oma to say to. And so ye munja is you guys should stop that. Yes, lemon. Just see am pemu be ma wonti ase na obi anko ne kwan. Na mu kunyen dia. Ese ye nko be wasase ni so. Nsa so amuso mu ji yesi kaso so dia. Ye mfanye de ya enchelmon. Imagine strong man sense say me need jumede ni na esi wa hanum say. Ameka say let's make group of companies, Bless Aluminium System, Pristodial Care Foundation International, and also African Queens Market and Top G Multimedia. Tomade promo egusu cost 20 link up sesia. Momo na boa me na jumede ni na ebesomo. Edi am just one ayama na AJ. Bakope makramu. Good afternoon.
Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support, you support a year for enketwa. Ye much concern ewo edwedefo nketwa omudigwa ewo my Ghana mu
ope baby edweni akire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a memfo wani kire baby a for wani kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make Warehouse. I tonton tiles any building materials.
The building any construction nso. Say even yama contract bi wa ben mu. Enso hu se dia obeye no e fa na dams, e fa na road, e fa na buildings. Any kind of construction I am now, I will share ultimate boben a through your Let's Make Foundation. A bit more orphanage issues, a bit more hospital issues, a bit more here counseling. Nini na Let's Make Foundation. It me ye.
Bliss Aluminium System, your castle high tension. Air glass application of Italian Siku aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young Juma was interior glass repairs. So, Juma was saying, I don't know how much we school at Open San Juma Panebra, Castle. High tension, street never Obobu station or no, Obobu say somebody boy, Bliss Aluminium, you're not much to scream, Nase. The phenomenal friend, friends, you know that Casabo for our supreme.